Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of the Minister of Tourism, Lindiwe Sisulu. In spite of President Cyril Ramaphosa's office issuing a second statement insisting that Tourism Minister Lindiwe Sisulu has apologized for her opinion piece on the country's constitution and judges, her office said that there was simply no apology. Her spokesperson Steve Motale told Eyewitness News that the presidency misrepresented Sisulu's meeting with the president. On Thursday night, war of statements, first from the Union building claiming to have admonished the minister, another from Sisulu herself claiming that there was no apology or retraction of her views, and the third from the president's office insisting that its version of events where Lindiwe is said to have conceded for using inappropriate language in the opinion piece. Steve said she has no intention of apologizing. She sees no need to apologize for anything. Their intention was to contribute to the public, discourse on some very burning issues, and she is glad that her column has generated such huge interest from the South African public at large. While some have called for Sisulu to be axed so that she can focus on her energies on her campaign to become the African National Congress's next president when the party goes to an elective conference at the end of the year. Motala said that the minister's actions were not motivated by any of that, as she remained fully committed to serving the people of South Africa. He said that she understood that she served in cabinet at the pleasure of the president. Steve said nobody in their right mind dares their boss to fire them. Nobody, and that's not the intention of the minister. Those are misplaced insinuations. Do you think Lindiwe Sisulu wrote that piece of article just because she wants to be a president? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye good people.